If you want to make a white background in Photoshop, whether you're starting a brand new design or replacing an existing background, this video will walk you through the easiest methods step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean white background for logos, product photos, social media graphics, and more. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and simple editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the fastest method for new projects. If you're opening Photoshop for a fresh design, a blank canvas, or a logo workspace, the easiest way to start with white is to create a new file. On Windows, you can press Ctrl+N. On Mac, press Command+N. This opens the new document window. On the right-hand side, you'll see the preset details panel. Look for the background contents option, click the drop-down menu and choose white. Once that is selected, click Create, and Photoshop will open your new document with a pure white background already in place. This is the best option when you want to build your project from scratch and avoid changing the background later. Now let's move to method 2, which is ideal if you already have an image or subject cut out and you want to place it on a white background. This is extremely useful for product photos, portraits, or transparent PNGs. Start by looking at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. At the bottom of that panel, you'll see the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon. It looks like a circle split diagonally, half black and half white. Click that icon and from the menu that appears, choose Solid Color. Photoshop will open the Color Picker window. To get a perfect white, move your cursor to the top left corner of the color box and select Pure White, or use the hex code #FFFFFFF if needed. Then click OK. Photoshop will create a color fill layer in your document. The important part now is to make sure that layer sits underneath your subject layer. In the Layers panel, click and drag the white color fill layer below the cutout or object you want to keep visible. Once it's in the correct position, your subject will appear on a clean white background instantly. This method is perfect when you want full control and a simple professional look. Next is method 3, which is the fastest option if you are working with a photo that still has a busy or distracting background. Photoshop's contextual tools can make this process much quicker. First, select your photo layer in the Layers panel. Then look for the floating contextual taskbar on your screen. If you see the Remove Background button, click it. Photoshop will automatically analyze the image and create a mask that removes the background from your subject. This is a huge time saver, especially if your photo has clear edges and a strong subject separation. After Photoshop removes the background, go to the bottom of the Layers panel again and click the Adjustment Layer icon, which also looks like a half-filled circle. Choose Solid Color from the list. In the color picker, select white and click OK. Just like before, drag this white fill layer underneath your subject layer. Now your photo will have a white background without needing to manually erase anything. If the white background does not appear immediately, don't worry. The most common reason is layer order. Just make sure the white fill layer is below your subject. In Photoshop, the layers higher up appear in front and the layers below sit behind. So if your subject disappears or the white background covers it completely, simply swap the order in the Layers panel. That one small adjustment usually fixes the problem right away. Here's another helpful tip. If you want a completely clean and bright white look, zoom in and check the edges of your subject after using Remove Background. Sometimes Photoshop leaves tiny halos or rough edges around hair, products, or sharp objects. If that happens, you can refine the mask later for a cleaner result. But for most simple edits, the solid white fill method works beautifully and gives you a professional finish in just a few clicks. So to quickly recap, if you are creating a new file, choose white in the background content setting. If you already have a cutout subject, add a solid color fill layer and move it underneath the subject. And if you want the fastest automatic method, use Remove Background from the contextual taskbar, then add a white fill layer behind it. These 3 methods cover almost every situation you'll run into when making a white background in Photoshop. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.